Friends, Rotary District 3141 is one of the premier Rotary districts around the world, doing amazing work for the community. Rotary Year 2021 is a vision year with District Governor Sunil Mehra at the helm of affairs, wherein many new initiatives have been introduced to create a difference and make Rotary seen. There is a Givers Gain project to generate funds out of waste, which will be used to fund Rotary Foundation for various humanitarian projects. Under the Over is another initiative to beautify Mumbai and create utility spaces below all flyovers. Lots of efforts are going on towards literacy, malnutrition, health, sanitation, and other verticals. WizBiz Talks is one more initiative, a novel concept in Vision Year with an ideology to support Rotarians to support Rotary. WizBiz Talks is also to create more bonding proximity amongst Rotarians on personal, Rotary, and professional fronts. In these interviews, we speak to visionary Rotarians who, by virtue of the selfless work towards the community, have reached important decisive positions, and their actions today will help Rotary to serve more and make a difference in the community. I am Dr. Manish Motwani, a bariatric surgeon by profession and Chief Coordinator for Rotary District 3141 in the year 2021, and I'll be your host on the WizBiz Talks. Friends, today we have a very special guest, a Rotarian with more than 5 years of experience in Rotary, a Rotarian with a backup of one of the strongest clubs in District 3141. Yes, friends, he is none other than Rotarian Prakash Ruia from Rotary Club of Mumbai Royals. Friends, he is into export of agri products, and this company is since 1954. A very understanding, considerate, sympathetic, and generous person. Very resourceful and ambitious, and I am sure he will take his club to unbelievable heights in the years to come. With a short introduction, friends, I present before you a very close and dear friend of mine, Rotarian Prakash Ruia.
Hello, sir. Thank you very much for a very beautiful introduction. I am very glad to be a Rotarian, and I really want to serve the community services to the maximum possible. As you rightly said, I have a very strong club based with all past presidents, PDG Gopalji Mandania, and our club members who are very strong, supportive, and vibrant. So fellowship is also going very strong. Global grants are going on a very large scale, and club has really achieved to a bigger heights in a small span of 5 years. We have been able to achieve very good targets, and I wish I also have same support and I can perform to the level best in this pandemic COVID situation. And with the support of DG Sunil Mehra and your team, I am very glad in this difficult time being a president and perform to the best of the possible for our community, sir.
Fantastic. तो प्रकाश जी, आपकी बातें सुन के एकदम ये दिल छूने वाली बातें हैं. आपको मालूम है दोस्तों कि प्रकाश जी ने जो टारगेट सेट किए वो टारगेट्स क्या है. रोटरी में लोग क्या टारगेट सेट करते हैं. जब भी बिजनेसेस होते हैं तो लोग टारगेट सेट करते हैं कि हमें कितना कमाना है. जब रोटरी होती है तो लोग टारगेट सेट करते हैं हमें कितने लोगों के काम आना है. तो इन्होंने जो कहा कि हमें टारगेट सेट करना है और दूसरों के टारगेट्स को सुपरसीड करना है, इसका मतलब है कि इनके जैसे लोग हैं जो हमें ज्यादा कम्युनिटी सर्विस करके इनको ज्यादा खुशी होती है और ज्यादा सेटिस्फेक्शन होता है. सैल्यूट यू फॉर योर कमिटमेंट टू रोटरी प्रकाश जी. ऐसे ही लोग हैं जिनके वजह से आज रोटरी कह सकता है कि वी आर द बिगेस्ट सर्विस ऑर्गेनाइजेशन इन द वर्ल्ड. सो थैंक यू वंस अगेन प्रकाश जी. आप आज हमारे यहाँ पे प्रोग्राम में आए हैं और आपने अपनी बातें शेयर करने के लिए ये प्लेटफॉर्म को हमें मंजूरी दी है. थैंक यू सो मच फॉर कमिंग टुडे. प्रकाश जी, अभी हम रोटरी में ट्रेनिंग में बहुत बार आपसे मिले हैं और बहुत बार आपसे बहुत सारी बातें हुई है, लेकिन यहाँ पे बहुत सारे लोग हैं जो आपको शायद उतना नहीं जानते हैं. और आप जानते हैं पिछले 3 महीनों में जो इतने सारे प्रॉब्लम्स हो रहे हैं और लॉकडाउन है, तो हम हमारे रेगुलर फिजिकल ट्रेनिंग प्रोग्राम्स भी नहीं कर सके. और फिजिकल ट्रेनिंग प्रोग्राम्स नहीं हुए, इसके लिए हम एक दूसरे को मिल नहीं सके. तो आज ये माध्यम के थ्रू मैं आपके बारे में 100 लोगों को बताना चाहूंगा. तो आप मुझे एक चीज ये बताएं कि पहले तो हम चाहेंगे कि would you be kind enough to tell us something more about yourself as a person and about your family?
Sir, as a person, I am very modest and try to be supportive to all. I have a passion for work. I always believe to help not only to Rotarians but also to large base of communities. My family history is we have own temple and we have been doing girl education since 1948. My late father Ram Gopal Ruya, he was a founder trustee of one big school in Malad. So we always try to serve community by good girls education. I was affiliated with Ram Krishna Mission Mark. Ram Krishna Mission, still we are affiliated at Sakwar and Khar. I have enjoying very good relation and doing lot of community services for vocational services. And also out of Bombay, we have some good hospital, Ujjain Charitable Trust Hospital, where we have been affiliated and doing good services. And also with Sri Satya Sai Baba Institute since 1970s. My family is affiliated with them, and whatever best possible, we try to come forward and see our communities develop in a good way.
प्रकाश जी बहुत बढ़िया काम कर रहे हैं आप एंड यू बीन डूइंग दिस इन सो मेनी इयर्स गर्ल एजुकेशन इज वन ऑफ द प्राइम फोकस एरियाज एंड यू आर डूइंग दिस इन सो मेनी इयर्स दैट इटसेल्फ मींस कि आप you know you all are though you have joined Rotary since 5 years but I feel you are a Rotarian at heart since many decades and this is not just you आपके फैमिली में ही ये प्रथा है कि हम दूसरों की सेवा कैसे करें whether it was your family people who built a tin mill or from so many years when you have been doing something on girl education. I feel these are all very worthy projects and these are the ones which really give us a lot of satisfaction inside that yes we are doing something for the community. So amazing work that you have been doing on a personal level. Prakash ji, we would like to know something more about you on your business front. आप क्या काम करते हैं, आपका बिजनेस क्या है और कैसे दूसरे रोटेरियंस आपके साथ मिलकर जुड़ सकते हैं आपके काम में. जैसे हमें चाहिए कि रोटरी एक फैमिली है. अभी तक हम दोस्ती करते थे रोटेरियंस से, हम उनके साथ रोटरी का काम करते थे. क्या हम हमारे रोटेरियंस के साथ बिजनेस भी कर सकते हैं? क्या हमें हमारी रोटरी फैमिली को एकदम क्लोज नेट प्रॉस्पेरस फैमिली बना सकते हैं? आज हर एक को अगर एक दूसरे का ऐसे सपोर्ट मिलता रहता है तो सब साथ में बढ़ते हैं. तो इस हिसाब से हमने विज टॉक शुरू किए. विज मीन्स विजन, विज मीन्स बिजनेस. तो हम रोटेरियंस को बता रहे हैं कि आप आपस में जुड़ो और ये रिलेशन को और स्ट्रॉन्ग करो. तो आपके बिजनेस के बारे में कुछ आप बताना चाहेंगे?
Yeah, sure. एक small point miss हो गया. We are in Bombay since 103 years. I am in Bombay since 103 years. My temple is 85 years old temple, and my export business is since 1954. I joined my business since 1980 when I was into HR college, Churchgate, one of the best college in town. I used to go to my dad's office, and since 1954, my dad was having only export turnover. So I learned all agri product business, management, logistics, finance, HR, everything. The whole gamut I learned from my dad. And he's a mentor and godfather, as I believe. And he was also become in 1948 gold medalist, sir, in 1948. So with his vast experience and with our vast contacts in Western Europe, Eastern Europe, and Southeast Asia, we developed a good business. So once I came into business in 1981, so there was no going back, and we were just going ahead. And in 2008, I had a tied up with my Japanese company. So I produced some value-added products in India, and we are the topmost exporter from India now. And we have been awarded from Korea in 2013. 2019, I was awarded from Taiwan, and also a lot of appreciation from Japan. And my companies have exclusive tie-up with Japanese company, which is an 108 years old company. And also they are into my business partner. They have invested some funds into my business. And also in 2008, I opened a corn company, maize company, when US president banned export from USA. So there was a good opportunity. So we did a good export turnover. So even that is a 1-star export government recognized house. And the soya company is 2-star export government recognized house. And also because of large volume, almost 200,000 tons, we had an own export freight company. So captive freight from the big companies like Singapore, Japan and Singapore, I had a direct contact with all top managements, and we explored, and we also have a different plan from others. We went one-to-one marketing with my family, Mrs. Sangeeta Ruya, even my daughter Ankita and my son Anish. Although it is a family business, but we work very professionally, and all four have developed from scratch in 2008. So we came to a very good level, and now we are number one in soya value-added products from India, sir.
बहुत बढ़िया प्रकाश जी. Prakash ji, I would just like to tell you one more thing. Soya is a lovely product. It is a very healthy product. I hope you're talking about that same soya product, right?
Yeah, same.
Now we are planning to do something on malnutrition on a national level, where
Okay.
we have been advised that yes, soya is one of, I being a beriatric surgeon, a weight loss surgeon,
Yeah,
so
right.
I'm a lot into nutrition and nutritional guidelines, and I'm in touch with all the topmost nutritionists from the country. So what we have seen is soya products are something excellent when we want to deal with malnutrition. And we are doing our bit. We have started Annapurna. I'm sure your club is also participating.
Yeah.
We are doing Bhagban. I'm sure your club will participate. Now, when we are doing this Annapurna, initial part, it is only that we are going to be feeding. We've taken a 2 million challenge that in 1 month we are going to feed 2 million people. And I'm sure your club is participating in a big manner.
Yeah.
But after that, we have the biggest project of the year is malnutrition. Would you like to get associated with the district and with Rotary in India for this malnutrition project, because you are into manufacturing of soya products? Would you be keen on doing it?
Yeah, sure, definitely we can join hands, because it's a very soya is in my blood.
Yeah.
And we are the pioneers in soya since 1971. Soya came in India, and we are among the first exporter from India in 1971-72. So whatever we can be assisting and whatever tie-ups we can have, definitely will come forward to it, sir.
प्रकाश जी, यही तो कहते हैं ना, हम रोटरी में कहते हैं कि how you can serve Rotary through your vocation.
Correct, sir. Correct.
You are an expert in a particular field, and we have that requirement. We can definitely tie up, and it can be a win-win situation for everyone.
Absolutely right. And I really appreciate the concept which you and DG Sunilji Mehra has initiated by this business model, connecting Rotarians to Rotary business. That is really a beautiful concept. So far we were doing only fellowship or community services, but now in this COVID and pandemic situation, I think this is one of the best things the District 3141 and our Sunilji Mehra and Manishji have carried out.
Thank you.
This is one of the best things, sir. Yellow pages and connection with the business community would be the best, sir. I think.
प्रकाश जी, हमारा कंसेप्ट ये है कि सब साथ में बढ़ो, सब साथ में ग्रो हो. एंड आज अगर हम ये करते हैं तो इसमें बहुत सारे रोटेरियंस को लगेगा कि यस, रोटरी में हमें और भी कुछ मिलने वाला है. मिलेंगे तो लोग रोटरी छोड़ेंगे नहीं. और इतना भी हम लोगों को जानते हैं कि the more you get, the more you will give to Rotary.
Absolutely right.
So membership retention, getting new membership growth, and getting more funds for Rotary, getting more hands to work in Rotary. This is all what we want to do.
Very true. Very true.
So Prakash ji, I am so happy that you have appreciated our efforts. Thank you so much. हमें भी अच्छा लगता है जब हमें भी ऐसे दो शब्द अच्छे सुनने को मिलते हैं, तो thank you a lot.
नहीं सर, आपने बहुत मेहनत की है सर.
प्रकाश जी, अभी एक चीज और आपसे पूछना चाहूंगा कि साल के लिए आपके जैसा क्लब जिसको अपना एक रेपुटेशन भी बनाना है, और आपके जैसे आदमी जिनको बिजनेस में खुद का ही एक बड़ा रेपुटेशन है, तो जब कोई जिम्मेदारी लोगे तो आप तो ऐसे हो ही नहीं कि कल चालू करना जिम्मेदारी तो आज काम करेंगे. आपने जरूर अपनी प्लानिंग की है. आप क्लब इतना स्ट्रॉन्ग क्लब है कि वो बिना प्लानिंग के तो आगे बढ़ेगा ही नहीं. आपका क्लब नोन है टू मेक बिग प्रोजेक्ट्स. तो आप मुझे बताएं कि ये साल के लिए आपने क्या क्या प्लान किया है फॉर 2021 बड़े प्रोजेक्ट्स, क्योंकि इतना ध्यान में रखिए कि आज आपको जो लोग सुनने वाले हैं वो बाकी के 101 प्रेसिडेंट, रोटेरियंस ऑफ 3141, रोटेरियंस ऑफ अदर डिस्ट्रिक्ट्स एंड नॉन रोटेरियंस भी. मतलब आपकी बातों में तो पहले ही मुझे इतना इंस्पिरेशन और मोटिवेशन मिल गया है, बट इतना कंटेजियस होना चाहिए आपका मोटिवेशन कि उसको देख के बाकी 101 प्रेसिडेंट्स भी आगे आ जाए कि यस, हम आपके साथ है, चलो आगे बढ़ते हैं और 3141 को ऊंचाइयों पे लेके जाते हैं. So I would like you to tell us something more about your plans for your club and District 3141 in the year 2021.
Sir, fortunately, under leadership of DG Sunilji Mehra, all 104 presidents are very active, very energetic, and very focused now, and all want to do very good and large projects. I know under his umbrella we will succeed. As far as our club is concerned, as you rightly said, we always believe on good number size of global grants, other projects in India. So I am planning to have some eight dialysis machine project of about $81,000, which is still under exploration. The machines and all are ready, but we are just finalizing the areas and which institution we have to give. So almost $81,000, one of the global grant. Another is pediatric mission Muskan. Last year also we did that project, and it is very close to our heart. And I believe even that project we are looking after it. Third, your project also is low Palgar housing project. Even members are showing interest. So once our BOD is into end June and early July, we will get more responses. I have already taken initiative and asked my members. This is one of the best housing concept, low concept. We need to participate in this. Already we are doing Annapurna now, one of your district project, as well as check them $1,500 to $2,000. Our club has already confirmed you, so even that we are going ahead. And also we are in touch with, as I told you, I am affiliated with Ramakrishna Mission as well as ISKCON, as Vada, as well as Satya Sai Baba Trust. So even those are interested to get many medical facilities. And COVID is a very, unfortunately, this pandemic of COVID is to be also cannot be ignored. So even all those requirements are coming from hospitals. So even that we are targeting to keep continuity, because this problem is continuing. So we cannot ignore that. We need to follow. We need to ensure everything is safe with proper sanitization, proper PPE kits, proper masking. So even those are into big targets. Now let's see how we progresses and how things are moving ahead. But God willingly, if everything goes well, we are certainly looking to it, sir.
प्रकाश जी, मुझे आपको दो प्रोजेक्ट्स के बारे में बोलना था.
हाँ.
एक है गिवर्स गेन प्रोजेक्ट.
Givers Gains में already we are initiated from our club also, and coincidentally I am a chairman of Windermere Society. It's a 5-wing society, 260 families. And we have a very separate party hall, beautiful party hall. And 2 years back, we had collected all these waste mobile, desktop computers, cloths, blankets, and some NGO was called. And after 3 days, we saw the whole of our party hall was blocked with 260 families wastage. So these giver gains will be definitely an opportunity for me. And I confirm my 256 families are also very excited, and I will fully support Givers Gain on top priority.
प्रकाश जी, इसमें मैं कहूंगा कि आप जितने इन्फ्लुएंशियल हो, आपको तो मालूम है कि आपके क्लब का हर एक बंदा इतना इन्फ्लुएंशियल है.
Absolutely
तो
right.
आपका हर एक बंदा आपके क्लब का ऐसा जमा करे तो हम गिवर्स गेन को क्या लेवल तक लेके जा सकते हैं. आपका एक एफर्ट ये रहेगा कि अभी सबको कह दें कि वो कहाँ पे डिस्पोज न करें, एंड दे शुड वेट फॉर अस, और ये मैसेज आपकी तरफ से तुरंत चले जाए.
ठीक है.
दूसरा एक चीज मैं कहूंगा, क्योंकि आपने बोला कि आप कोविड में कुछ और भी करना चाहते हैं.
राइट.
एक हॉस्पिटल है शुश्रूषा हॉस्पिटल. इट इज अ कम्युनिटी हॉस्पिटल.
ओके.
वहां पे अभी हमारे एक रोटेरियन की एक डेथ हुई है डे बिफोर यस्टरडे.
ओहो.
एंड वहां पे क्या हो गया कि दे डिडंट हैव हाई फ्लो नेजल कैन्युला मशीन्स.
ओके.
हाई फ्लो नेजल कैन्युला मशीन जो हमने अभी आपने जाना होगा कि वेस्टर्न एलाइट ने कहाँ पे दी है, बॉम्बे क्लब ने दी है. दे यूज्ड टू कॉस्ट 3.3 lakhs पर मशीन.
ओके.
बट अभी जो इंडियन मॉडल उसका आया है, व्हिच इज इक्वली इफेक्टिव, इज अवेलेबल फॉर 1.8 lakh रुपीस.
ओके.
अगर ये हम 1.8 lakh रुपीस के 4 मशीन्स वो शुश्रूषा हॉस्पिटल में डोनेट कर सकते हैं, तो I am telling you, you will be the reason for saving at least 20 lives or 10 lives a month. वो हॉस्पिटल से हमको दूसरे हॉस्पिटल में जगह नहीं मिल रही थी,
Okay.
हमें वही हॉस्पिटल में पेशेंट को एडमिट करके रखना पड़ा जहाँ पे मशीन थी। ये है ना वेंटिलेटर के एक स्टेज पहले की मशीन है।
Okay. Okay.
तो ये रेगुलर ऑक्सीजन से ज्यादा और वेंटिलेटर से कम। पर ये जो कोविड पेशेंट्स होते हैं उसमें वेंटिलेटर काम नहीं करते हैं बिकॉज वेंटिलेटर से डेथ्स हो रही है।
Right.
ये
Right.
हाई फ्लो नेजल कैन्युला जो है दैट इज अ लाइफ सेविंग थिंग। इन द इनिशियल स्टेज में कर दिया तो पेशेंट पूरा बाहर आ जाता है।
Right.
तो आप बस क्लब में अपने बात करिए। इफ यू ऑल आर विलिंग देन यू ऑल कैन सेट अप अ डेट कि 1 जुलाई है। आप लोग की तरफ से जैसे आपका साल स्टार्ट होता है आप लोग 4 या 5 मशीन आप वो हॉस्पिटल को दे। इट्स नॉट अ बिग डील एंड फॉर अ क्लब लाइक रॉयल्स यू नो इट इज नॉट अ बिग डील। तो इफ यू वांट मेरे से बाद में आप कनेक्ट करिएगा, मैं आपको हॉस्पिटल से मिलवा लूंगा, हॉस्पिटल अथॉरिटीज से, आपको डीलर से मिलवा लेंगे और आप लोग वो आपका साल ऐसे बैंक से आप शुरू कर सकते हो कि यस रॉयल्स इज डूइंग समथिंग टू मेक द लाइफ ऑफ पीपल बेटर। सो दिस इज जस्ट ऑफर इफ एट ऑल यू वांट बिकॉज आपने कहा कि हमें करना है बिकॉज अभी हम है ना सिर्फ पीपी किट और सैनिटाइजर और मास्क के लेवल से आगे निकल चुके हैं।
करेक्ट।
अभी जून एंड से लेके अगस्त सेकंड वीक तक तो पीक रहने वाला है।
राइट।
तो पीक में 10 टाइम्स ज्यादा पेशेंट्स एडमिट होने वाले हैं।
करेक्ट।
So I think so this is the stage where we have to rise up to the occasion and do these things. So this is just one request which I got because we were associated with that hospital. इसके लिए मैंने आपको बताया because हमारा उनसे बातचीत हो रहा था हमारे रोटेरियन के लिए। तो if at all you are keen, you can take that ahead. उसके डिटेल्स मैं आपको सारे फॉरवर्ड कर दूंगा आपको दिस।
ठीक है, श्योर। और ये हॉस्पिटल कहाँ पे सर?
ये विक्रोली का नंबर नगर।
अच्छा, विक्रोली के करीब है। ठीक है, आप सर फॉरवर्ड करिए, मैं क्लब से बात कर लूंगा।
I'll forward you all.
Yeah, and today only I also thought PP kit, mask, they are now at a very low stage, but you won't believe. Today only I got a phone call from ISKCON Bhakti Vedanta Hospital and PD Joshi Hospital. They are in need of PP kit, mask, sanitization, as well as few ventilators. So as you rightly said, there is a long list. So we need.
ये जो बीमारी है ना इसमें वेंटिलेटर पे अगर कोई पेशेंट जाता है ना ये याद रखिएगा। See because I was the part of the COVID response team with BMT with Rotary.
Right.
तो अगर कोई वेंटिलेटर पे जाता है तो सक्सेस रेट इज ओनली 2%।
ओहो।
बट अगर हम वेंटिलेटर पे जाने से बचा सकते हैं
राइट राइट
ओनली बाय पुटिंग हाई फ्लो ऑक्सीजन यू आर डूइंग अ ह्यूज फेवर टू द कम्युनिटी।
वेरी ट्रू।
तो वेंटिलेटर से ज्यादा रिक्वायरमेंट है कि अगर हर जगह पे हम ये दे जहां वेंटिलेटर के पहले वाले स्टेज पे हम पेशेंट को ये स्टार्ट कर सकते हैं, पेशेंट वेंटिलेटर पे जाएगा नहीं और ज्यादा चांसेस होते हैं क्योंकि एक बार वेंटिलेटर पे गया तो मल्टी ऑर्गन फेलियर है।
करेक्ट करेक्ट। नो दैट इज द थिंग।
प्रकाश जी आपने यू आर वेरी रिसेप्टिव, यू आर सो थॉटफुल, ऑब्जर्वेंट एंड सो डिसिसिव अ पर्सन। मुझे आपसे बात करके बहुत अच्छा लगा है एंड ऐसे ओपन माइंडेड लोगों को जब हम रोटरी में देखते हैं ना तो वी रियली गेट दैट कॉन्फिडेंस दैट यस वी कैन अचीव एनीथिंग व्हाट वी वांट। So thank you so much, Prakash ji. You have come today for this interview, and you have really blessed us by your presence. आपसे बात करके I am really feeling so nice, and I hope it was a nice time for you too. And
very
thank
nice.
you so much once again for everything that we have spoken.
Sir, I am really, it's an honor and pleasure to discuss with you, and you being at a very large spectrum and large broad, you know everything about community services, Rotary. So I am very happy to be associated and get more information from you. So I am getting updated. So under Sunil ji, Mera and Manish ji, I think we are in safe hands, and our year 2020 will definitely be although it is a tough year, but I believe it will be a good performance year for all presidents in District 3141.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you.